about solar breath. The recording of solar breath was preceded by several viewings of the same or a similar wind phenomena in the same window over a period of many years. But on this the particular occasion that resulted in the videotape, I happened to have the camera and tripod ready when I saw the window agitating, and I thought and hoped that it was going to keep on doing that. So I set up the camera and recorded it. I think the thing that's really interesting about it is how it became. It's not just a documentation. It's a work in the sense that there's a transformation from what you could, when you see the image, you see that a three-dimensional three-dimensional things are represented. But then when the curtain smacks back against nothing, it's actually in the work itself. When the work is shown, it smacks back against the wall. So there is a kind of transformation from the illusion of there being three dimensions to there being what there actually is two dimensions, which is something that I was very involved with when I first started painting. And I think it's the reason why this is a work of art rather than a documentation. Occasionally the curtain goes so high as to allow a view out the window, and there's a rectangular thing is a solar panel, which in fact is powering, or at least charging the battery, which is making the camera work. So there's a bit of a loop involved in what you see and how it's being produced that's sort of fits in with it. The curtain was made by my wife, Peggy Gale, and the window was installed by me, and I made the wall too. I think that's a look at how solar breath happened.